We finally made it to St. George's Castle. Hopefully I'm saying that right, but we are at the viewpoint now. You can see most of the city, and that's the Teja River, I think. It's pretty cool up here. Let's go. And there's a peacock here. There's a lot of them actually around. Wow. Look at how close everything is. Isn't that just so crazy? Let's take a look. Everything is so close together. We are on top of the castle. Take a look. Oh yeah, I see it. Look at these stairs. Pretty steep in the castle. This is sardines, and it's a little scary looking. Should you take the first bite? Careful, there's bones in it. Is it good?
It tastes like tuna fish.
Tuna fish? They're really stinky though. Oh my. Definitely tastes just like tuna fish. Homemade French fries. They're amazing. Jamie won't dance with me. I want to dance.
I'm not feeling the dance.
But we're in a different country. No one's ever gonna know. I know how to do a ballroom dance. I can teach you.
I don't want to learn.
Beautiful night. Beautiful in so many ways. I am 28 today. How crazy. Last night we celebrated my birthday, and the guy gave us like two extremely strong mojitos, and we told him it was my birthday.
Too strong.
So strong. And then the last one he gave us a shot, and after that we didn't remember anything after that. It was like a snap of the fingers, lights were off sort of thing. Yeah, definitely. I'm also with that. And this is Pink Street. Lots of food and bars here. We are in Sintra today, and we're gonna look at some palaces and castles. Pretty cool. That you told me. We are going in the intrinsic well, and we're on a mission to find the exit. supposed to be looking for a cross and a door and a shell, and I haven't found any of those things. And a compass, but we found that. Oh, this is scary. If you have claustrophobia, I would not come in here. Cool. We are now at the beach and we're gonna get some food. Wow, look at these cliffs over here.
So this, we can start it here. First of all, we just have fish that we catch with hooks, never with nets. We don't work with fish that they catch with nets.
Next we're going to Pina Plaza.
Penis Plaza?
Pina, right? Pina Palace.
Pina Palace. Penis
Not
Palace.
Plaza.
We're going to Penis Palace.
Let's go. It's a lot of wine. Now we are at Pina Palace. Wow, so cool. Extremely windy up here. Wow. We're on the top of Sintra Mountain, Portugal, the highest point. Yeah. Wow. It's windy up here in the castle. Right now we are at a cereal bar in Lisbon, Portugal.